GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 26. For the ordinary differential equation d2x by dt2 minus 5dx by dt plus 6x equals 0 with initial conditions x of 0 is 0 and dx by dt of 0 is 10, the solution is. Four options are given. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data, if we are given an ordinary differential equation of the format a0 d power n plus a1 d power n minus 1 plus a2 d power n minus 2 and so on till an times y equals 0, where d is nothing but d over dx. So for this case, the solution will be of the format complementary function plus particular integral, but in this case the right hand side is 0, so there will not be any particular integral, so this part will be 0. There will only be a complementary function whenever the right hand side of an ordinary differential equation is 0. So there can be three possible cases. The first case will be the solution of this equation are real and distinct. For that case, the solution will be of the format y equals c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x, where m1 and m2 are the roots and c1 c2 are constant coefficients which can be computed using the initial and final conditions. For real and equal roots, we can write it in the format of c1 plus c2x into e power mx, where m is the equal root and c1 c2 are the constant coefficients. For a complex and conjugate pair, we can write it in the format y equals e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sine of beta x. Here the roots of the complementary function are a conjugate pair alpha plus minus I beta, and the solution of the ODE can be written in this format. Coming to the question, we have been given a ODE. This can be written as d square x minus 5dx plus 6x equals 0. Taking x outside, we would get d square minus 5d plus 6 into x equals 0. So in this case, the solution of x will be of the format CF plus PI, since it is a ODE, but here the right hand side is 0, so particular integral becomes 0. The only solution will be x equals complementary function. So we will solve this equation d square minus 5d plus 6 equals 0. It can simply be solved as d minus 2 into d minus 3 equals 0, which would give the value of d as 2 and 3. So the solution of x can be written as c1 e power 2t, since x is differentiated with respect to t, plus c2 e power 3t. Now in order to find the constant coefficients, we need to use the given initial conditions. So the first initial condition is x of 0 is 0. So x of 0 is given as 0. So when we substitute 0 in this, e power 2t will become 1 and e power 3t would also become 1. So this would become c1 plus c2 equals 0. This is our first equation. Now we will substitute the next initial condition, that is dx by dt of 0 is 10. So we will differentiate x for this. We would get c1 differentiation of e power 2t would be 2 e power 2t plus differentiation of e power 3t would be e power 3t times 3. Now we will substitute 0 in this, so this would give essentially 10, which is given in the question. So this part would become 1, this part would become 1, this would give 2c1 plus 3c2 10. This is our second equation. So we can substitute 1 in 2, so from 1 we can get c1 as minus c2. So we can substitute this in this relation. We would get minus 2c2 plus 3c2 equals 10. This would give c2 as 10 and c1 as minus 10. Substituting the values of c1 and c2 in the obtained relation for x, we would get x of t as minus 10 e power 2t plus 10 e power 3t. So our ordinary differential equation was given: d square x minus 5 dx plus 6x equals 0. Initial conditions were given and the solution was obtained as minus 10 e power 2t plus 10 e power 3t, which is the option C. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.